Good morning, students. In previous class, we discussed algae, an overview of algae, in which we discuss habit of algae, mode of reproduction, mode of nutrition of algae, and importance of algae. And at the last of that topic, I told you there are various colors in algae. Algae may be green in color, red color, and brown color. So, basis on their color, algae can be classified into three categories. Okay? Algae can be classified into three categories: chlorophyceae, phaeophyceae, phaeophyceae, and rhodophyceae. Okay? So there are three categories in algae: chlorophyceae, phaeophyceae, and rhodophyceae. These categories are categorized on the basis of color of algae. So, in chlorophyceae, as the name indicates, chloro, you can relate it chlorophyll. Chlorophyll present in green part of plant like leaf and green stem. So, you can relate it chloro with chlorophyll and green. So, all green algae comes under chlorophyceae. Okay? All brown algae comes under phaeophyceae, and all red algae comes under rhodophyceae. So firstly we are going to discuss chlorophyceae. Okay? Chlorophyceae include all the green algae. So color of chlorophyceae will be green. If you talk about shape of chloroplast, the chloroplast may be disc shape, plate shape, ribbon shape, spiral shape, and reticulate. Disc shape means this, like this. Disc shape means like this, and plate shape means flat structure. The chloroplast in green algae may be disc-like, maybe plate-like structure, maybe ribbon-like structure like this, and spiral structure like this, spiral structure, and reticulate structure means zigzag in motion, zigzag structure like this. This is reticule. Okay? These are shape of chloroplast in green algae, means in chlorophyceae. Okay? This chlorophyceae may be unicellular, colonial, and filamentous structure. Filamentous in structure. Example of unicellular algae, green algae, is Chlamydomonas, okay. Colonial, Volvox. We already have discussed these things in previous video. Volvox, and in previous video I told you the colony of Volvox is known as Synovium. It is very important. Okay. What is synovium? Colony of volvox is known as synovium. Filamentous algae. This example of filamentous algae is Spirogyra. These are example of chlorophyceae, the green algae. Now, if we talk about storage food in green algae, in chlorophyceae, that may be storage food in chlorophyceae is in the form of oil drop, and beside these oil drops are food stored as pyrenoids. So food storage material is pyrenoids in green algae or chlorophyceae. So what is pyrenoids? Protein beside the starch. Protein beside the starch is known as pyrenoids. Okay. So storage food material is pyrenoids in case of green algae. Now, if we talk about cell wall of chlorophyceae, so cell wall of chlorophyceae is made up of cellulose and pectose. So inner layer of cell wall is made up of cellulose, and outer layer made up of pectose. So we can say cell wall of chlorophyceae is made up of cellulose and pectose. Now, if we talk about mode of reproduction in green algae, reproduction takes place by vegetative reproduction, asexual, and sexual reproduction. As we discussed it earlier, vegetative reproduction in the form of fragmentation, asexual reproduction by means of zoospore, and sexual reproduction by means of gametes. Okay? Or this can be, sexual reproduction can be isogamous, anisogamous, and oogamous type of sexual reproduction in green algae. As we discussed earlier, now the example of chlorophyceae. Examples of chlorophyceae are Chlamydomonas, Chara, Spirogyra, Volvox, Ulothrix. These are example of chlorophyceae. Pigment in chlorophyceae. Chlorophyll A and chlorophyll B pigment are present. So these are responsible for grassy green color. Grassy green color. These are responsible for grassy green color of green algae or chlorophyceae. So just remember one thing, chlorophyll A. Chlorophyll A is a common pigment which is present in all the categories of algae, like in chlorophyceae, in rhodophyceae, in bryophyceae. In all the three categories, this chlorophyll A must be present because it is primary chlorophyll. The next category of algae on the basis of color is Phaeophyceae. All the brown algae comes under Phaeophyceae. If we talk about pigment in Phaeophyceae, then I earlier told you chlorophyll A. Chlorophyll A is present in all the categories of algae. Okay? And in Phaeophyceae, chlorophyll C also present. Another pigment, xanthophyll and carotenoid are also present in Phaeophyceae. There are different shade of brown color in Phaeophyceae, like olive green to brown. There are different shades. So for these different shades, a pigment is responsible. That pigment is fucoxanthin. Fucoxanthin is a kind of xanthophyll. Okay? So fucoxanthin is responsible for different shade of brown color from olive brown to brown color in Phaeophyceae. Stored food material in Phaeophyceae. Stored food is mannitol and laminarian. Mannitol and laminarian are stored food in case of Phaeophyceae. The cell wall of Phaeophyceae is made up of cellulose and algin. Cellulose and algin. Inner layer of cell wall is made up of cellulose, whereas outer layer of cell wall is made up of algin. Outer layer of algin made up of algin. Okay? In case of Phaeophyceae. Okay? Now, as you know, algae have thallus structure, which means there are no fruit, leaf, root and stem. Okay? That structure known as thallus. That structure known as thalloid structure or thallus. In case of Phaeophyceae, there are root-like structure, stem-like structure and leaf-like structure also found, like this is root-like structure which is known as holdfast. This is root-like structure which is known as holdfast. This is stem-like structure which is known as stalk or also known as stipe. And leaf-like structure, which is known as frond. Okay. This holdfast, the function of holdfast is attachment of this algae with surface. Okay. And stalk, what is the function of stalk? Stalk provide it support and frond function as leaf and it perform photosynthesis. ठीक है, ये photosynthesis को भी perform कर सकता है. ठीक है. Now reproduction in Phaeophyceae. Reproduction may be by vegetative vegetative, asexual, and sexual reproduction. In vegetative reproduction, fragmentation take place. In asexual reproduction, take place by zoospore. And one important thing in this zoospore, these are biflagellate, flagellate and unequal and lateral and attached laterally. It means इसमें जो ए सेक्शन में जो जूस्पोर बनेंगे वो किस तरह से होंगे, वो ऐसे होंगे, ठीक है। और इसमें फ्लैजिला बाइफ्लैजिलेट होगा, दो फ्लैजिला प्रेजेंट होंगे और दोनों कैसे होंगे, अनइक्वल होंगे। मींस एक बड़ा फ्लैजिला और दूसरा छोटा फ्लैजिला हो सकता है, ठीक है। दोनों की लेंथ अलग अलग होगी और दोनों लेटरल अटैच्ड होंगे। मींस एक फ्लैजिला और दिस इज अनदर फ्लैजिला, तो दिस इज शॉर्ट एंड दिस इज लॉन्ग फ्लैजिला। दैट्स व्हाई आई एम सेइंग इन एसेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन इन Phaeophyce the zoospore are biflagellate, unequal and laterally attach each other. In case of Chlorophyce, these flagella may be 2 to 8 flagella. Chlorophyce में 2 से 8 तक के flagella हो सकते हैं और those flagella are apical, ठीक है, located at apex part, ठीक है। Like in Chlorophyce, these flagella are apical, ठीक है, ये एपेक्स पार्ट में होते हैं। जबकि यहाँ पे आपने देखा फाइओफाइसी में दो फ्लैजिला होंगे, बाइफ्लैजिलेट होगा और दोनों अनइक्वल और लेटरल साइड में होंगे, लेटरली अटैच्ड होंगे। ओके, द एग्जांपल ऑफ फाइओफाइसी आर डिक्टियोटा, sargassum, ectocarbus and fucus. There are several examples, but these examples are very important. And another example of Phaeophyce is kelp. So when we discussed an overview of algae, I told you kelps are giant algae and they may be several meters in height, ठीक है, they may be up to 100 meters in height, ठीक है। Whereas it is filamentous, branch and filamentous algae. The next category of algae on the basis of color is rhodophyce. Rhodophyce include all the red color algae, and this red color of algae due to some sort of pigment which is known as phycoerythrin. It is very important. Okay, and all the other pigment present in rhodophyce like chlorophyll A, as we discussed, it is common in all the category of algae, and chlorophyll B. Okay, and phycoerythrin is responsible for red color. Okay? These are mostly marine. Not all algae. These mostly mostly these are marine, means the habitat of rhodophysi is marine, and in Phytophysi all algae are marine, and in rhodophysi mostly algae are marine. Okay, these are mostly marine. It means these present in mostly marine water, and especially on in hotter place or warmer place. वार्मर प्लेस, ठीक है, और वार्मर प्लेस मैराइन वाटर में कहाँ होगा, सरफेस पे और डीप में प्रेजेंट होगा, ठीक है, डीप में और सरफेस में हॉटनेस और वार्मनेस प्रेजेंट होती है, तो वहाँ पर ये एल्गी प्रेजेंट हो सकती है, ठीक है। वन मोर इम्पोर्टेंट थिंग, दिस एल्गी, इन दिस एल्गी थैलस is multicellular and complex. It is very important. Multicellular thallus are present in rhodophysi. Now the stored food in rhodophysi is Floridian starch. Now what is Floridian starch? Floridian starch is amylopectin and glycogen. And reproduction in red algae or rhodophysi may be take place by vegetating, asexual and sexual. Vegetative reproduction take place by fragmentation, asexual reproduction take place by spore. And the important thing, these spores are non-motile. It means they can't move from one place to another place. And as you know, for motility, flagella are very important. It means in these spores, flagella are not present. So these are non-flagellate. When we talk about sexual reproduction take place mostly oogamous. And in sexual reproduction gametes are non-motile. इनके जो gametes होंगे वो मोटाइल नहीं होंगे, वो मूवमेंट नहीं कर सकते. इट मीन्स उनमें भी फ्लैजिला प्रेजेंट नहीं होगा. और मोस्टली सेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन oogamous होता है किसमें, rhodophysi. ठीक है. The example of rhodophysi are Porphyra, Giladium, Gracilaria, and Polycyphenia. These are example of rhodophysi. Now we will revise these all things once. Chlorophysi, common name of chlorophysi is green algae. Green algae is the common name. Common name of biophysi is brown algae. Okay, brown algae. Common name of rhodophysi is red algae. Okay. Now, if you talk about pigments, in chlorophysi, chlorophyll A and chlorophyll B pigments are present. Whereas in Phytophysi, chlorophyll A and chlorophyll C pigments are present. Because I said this chlorophyll A present in all the category of algae like chlorophyceae, phaeophyceae and rhodophyceae. In phaeophyceae, except chlorophyll A and C, some other pigments are also present like xanthophyll and carotenoid. And fucoxanthin is responsible for different shade of brown color of phaeophyceae, which is xanthophyll. Fucoxanthin is a kind of xanthophyll. Now in rhodophyceae, chlorophyll A, chlorophyll D, and phycoerythrin pigments are present, which is responsible for red color. Okay. Now, if we talk about stored food in chlorophyceae, pyrenoids is stored food material. And what is pyrenoids? Pyrenoids are protein beside starch. Okay, protein beside the starch. As the name indicates, P is the initial letter and S is the last letter. So we can relate it protein beside the starch. If we talk about phaeophyceae, stored food material in phaeophyceae is mannitol and laminarin. Now, in rhodophyceae, stored food is Floridian starch. Floridian starch is a food material stored food material in rhodophyceae. Now, if we talk about cell wall, the cell wall of chlorophyceae is made up of cellulose and pectose. So, cell wall of chlorophyceae is made up of cellulose and pectose. Cellulose, inner layer of cell wall is made up of cellulose, and outer layer of cell wall is made up of pectose. If we talk about phaeophyceae, the cell wall of phaeophyceae is made up of cellulose and algae. Inner layer of cell wall is made up of cellulose and outer layer of cell wall is made up of algae. In rhodophyceae, cell wall is made up of cellulose, pectin and sulfate esters. Now, if we talk about flagella, number of flagella in chlorophyceae, there are 2 to 8 flagella which are apical. ठीक है? Apical मैंने कहा था इसमें जो फ्लैजिला होंगे वो एपिकल होंगे, ठीक है? 2 से 8 तक इनके नंबर हो सकते हैं. Now if we talk about phaeophyceae, मैंने आपको बताया था phaeophyceae में 2 फ्लैजिला प्रेजेंट होते हैं. इट इज बाइफ्लैजिलेट एंड unequal. Biflagellate and unequal and laterally attached with each other. Laterally attached होते हैं. In rhodophyceae, flagella are absent. Flagella absent होते हैं. So these are 3 category of algae: chlorophyceae, phaeophyceae and rhodophyceae. I hope आपको ये पूरा समझ में आया हो. अगर आपको समझ में नहीं आया तो आप मुझे पूछ सकते हैं. नेक्स्ट क्लास में हम नेक्स्ट कैटेगरी ऑफ प्लांट ब्रायोफाइट डिस्कस करेंगे. थैंक यू.